I guess I'm happy now. Got my knee pad. And this dust mask is like for a kid. It's not very big. It's hardly able to cover my nose and my mouth, so I'm just covering my mouth with it. That way my goggles won't get all fogged up. I'll do that. See? Look how small this thing is. Most of the ones at the store are plenty big. This one just happens to be a little small one. I don't know why. You start crawling around here on top of rocks and stuff, you'll know why you need a knee pad or something. I don't usually like to have those like carpet knee pads and put those on my knees. Then it gets to the back of your pants. You know, so I'm fine with the way I got it. I'm gonna need my staples probably. I'm not gonna staple it until I get it over to the box. You know, just trying to re-rod it over there right now. Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's the bay I want. Okay. I gotta just kind of pull out as much as I think I need around this corner. Just take a guess. Doesn't matter for now, right? Oh. I probably don't really need this nail bag on, do I? Maybe I'll take it off, because I really am only going to need my hammer and the staples. Stapling this up. Ooh. Okay. Get this nail bag off. For right now, anyways. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I could have, this insulation has little bits of wire, and that wire is kind of bowed, and that holds the insulation up in there. Okay? And those are just friction fit. You can just lift it out, see? Like that. And so this is going to go up in there, kind of up where the box is. I'm going to give it enough to go up through there. And in fact, get my mask on. Try not to get insulation all in my mouth. Okay. See, I take my nail bag off and then I need my screwdriver out of it. That's just the way it goes usually. Because I gotta knock one of these out. or just push on it. Bend it up in there. Push this wire up through there. Let's see how much I want to have in there. Hold my hand back about 8 inches or so. There, like that. That's all I need. Okay. Now, right there, I'm just going to staple right to the side of the floor joist because it's plywood within 6 inches of the box. I'm just trying to lay the wire flat, okay? And I'm gonna get one more pie, and then I can pull the insulation back down. Okay. Yeah, just keep that wire right out of my way. Like so. And then I got my other insulation right there. Because I don't need that up anymore either, do I? Right here. So I'm going to reach up in there and pull this back. Say bye-bye to the box. Bye-bye, Mr. Box. These little wires just kind of hold it up. This insulation is designed to be friction fit, and the inspector probably made them put these wires, or a lot. I've seen them. I did a house one time. We put netting underneath, and they do that, you know, obviously before the subfloor's on. After all the plumbing's done and everything underneath, it's been all inspected and everything. Then they can roll this webbing fencing material out. It's nylon mesh type stuff, and sometimes I've seen it done that way. I've never really seen it done this way before, and I noticed there's quite a few of these little wires that are missing now and again. And you know, I'll do a once over after I get this project done. Then I'm going to go around, and there's a few places where there was some missing insulation, that needed to be pushed up, some wires that were missing. And I can get this same type of wire at the store. It's like T-bar wire. You can get T-bar wire that's 18 gauge. I just saw it at Lowe's, and it came in a 100-foot roll, and then I can just pull it out and cut it to whatever lengths I want. Because see, this just pulls out. See, this wire, it's just a short little wire, and that's just kind of friction. It just sits there in between the floor joists. Okay? So now I can start my way back. And I don't have to push this up all the way this time. I can just push this insulation up. You're supposed to have this stapled, so you know, every few feet. And so I'm going to go ahead and staple it. I got one staple about here. I'm just going to do another one where the wire holding the insulation's not in my way. pull tight on it. And have it flat. Okay. And I'm just going to keep going where this wire is. I'm just going to pull that back, you know, and push this up. Push it up. I can push the insulation up and then staple it some more and then put these wires back in. Okay. Whew. Okay. I got my dust mask on, my glasses on. Geez, yes, I should have brought my knee pad. What was I thinking? You know what? I'm gonna go get it. Yep. I am going to get my knee pad.